Hi, in this video I want to demonstrate how we convert this Figma template to Elementor. This template completely free that you can edit for your information and use it, convert it, and you can use this landing page for your aims which you need. My name is Johan, I am WordPress developer, and let's do it. First step, it is this template. It's completely free that you can download. I will leave link for this template in the description to this video. And the second reminder that you can download template, which today I will build template. You can download by this URL, fill out this form, and I will send you on your email box zip file with this template, and you can just import, edit text and use it. Yeah, I think it's great opportunity not do the same, but this video it's for learning something new in Elementor, how to build it, and I would recommend build it, not just download and use it, because the main aim for me is teach you how to do something better in Elementor. Okay, so if you like my video, click like to this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's drink a little bit coffee and let's go. So the first step which we need to do is export images. For me easier, for example, this logo I would export, but do you see it's this line, it's not including here. And it's very important to do it, and what we can do, we need to click outline stroke. In this case, now if we export it, it will be okay. And sometimes with SVG files it happens, and need to keep eye on it if you see it. So SVG, and it will be logo. Something not okay here. Do you see? It's like export free layers. It means that it's free elements, but we need to it like one, and we need go like here logo, and here click SVG. Yes. What we need next? We need this emoji. This emoji, to be honest, let's check. Yeah, copy paste here, and on background we have this one like background yet. I don't know how better to do it. I think I need export need only images, not with this one without ellipse, and I need to do it bigger for better quality. And how I can get better quality? Of course I can export it as 2x, but I don't like result quality of image usually, and usually I manually do it bigger and save it, and I get better quality in this way. And for example, now I click K, it's resizing, and resizing scale, for example 2x 2.5x. yes. Now and now if I click PNG export me, oh, okay, it's perfect. When I optimize it, I will get small size image, but I will get a great quality for image. Regarding this icon, I don't know how to realize it. I mean, on this moment, we will come back to it when we do it. Okay, here is we have four icons like this one. I also need copy it and move to the left for increased size. And what I did, for example, I pick the first one, then I click shift, and I need pick another one, and 2 clicks I do, and I pick this element which I need, and copy paste, move here and click K, and let's do it 1.8 for example. Okay, and I just okay, this one is icon 1, icon 1, icon 2, icon 3 and icon 4. To be honest, different widths for icons. I think we will use the same width. For example, 215, because very hard to use different size. But we will check how it will be on the result. Here, I would export. We have like part, and I don't know how to. We can't. The best case in this case, I mean, would be good export it as SVG, but it will be not possible because we have here gradient for lines and it will not good export, and WordPress will not allow to upload, and it will view of this image will be not this like here. And because I have a lot of cases with it, and what I would do here, to be honest, I think the best case just export without text, and that's all. Yeah, let's do it. Here, copy paste, and I just need to remove image, text, I mean, here and here. Yes, and what I need to do, resize a little bit bigger, 1.8. Okay, yeah, but do you see it's not icons, not resize, something wrong. Yeah, but and copy wrong. Oh, it's like design this. Okay, in this way it's okay. Okay, and let's go export PNG, because here is transparent background and stuck. Okay, it's okay. And what we need here this image. I don't know what is this, but let's export it like a SVG, because it's possible export like SVG. And here we have two images here. Okay, let's go export project. Project is here a little bit problem, because on background we have this one, and here it's not connected with this one, and I need something like that for realizing it. And if now I copy these two elements, yeah, now it's okay. And let's go. I need setup 0 because I want to do it as JPEG, and I needn't border radius. So it's project 1. And it project 2. Yes, and here is icon, is default icon. Yeah, I think that's all, and it will be blur. Yeah, I think that's all. Yes, and last point, it is I need optimize images which I export. It is JPEG, PNG, 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 PNG. Yeah, it's only this one. And go compress, and for example, without optimization it was 1.2 megabytes. In result I got much less, and if I unzip these files, it's much less. Yeah, and it should be pretty good quality. Okay, so remember, I develop pages without any settings for Elementor. I mean, for easier connecting with your style, because for each of website we set up manual styles, but I have test website which I use default settings. And one point, it is width for content, and paddings I use 0, not 10 as default. 0, I mean paddings and space between elements. I will demonstrate later, but first point is we need to create page. For example, Figma, let's go which URL from Figma to Elementor to, oh, okay, it's okay, publish. So here I need set up canvas. Canvas, it's without header, without footer, without nothing, because I need clean. Yes, publish. And from default settings, what I have different, it's everything default. It's layout. I have container padding 0, it's very important, and gaps 0, because I don't want space by default, because it's much harder working with spaces between elements. For example, how many pixels, for example, here 3, 85, and I need always think, for example, 70 minus 20, it's 50, and set up 50, it's very hard, complicated, and usually I set up 0 spacing, for example, from this text to this one, and manually to add for each of elements, because it's much easier for me. Yeah, and we are ready for developing, and let's do it. And need to a little bit drink cappuccino, because it's already evening in my time, but I have mood for for recording this video, and I decided to do it, even if it's evening already. Okay, so let's ignore it. And what we need? We have, for example, we need to set up width for content. We need to understand which width content, for example, we don't have full width content, but if we pick the first element and if we pick the second element, we will see width content. It's maximum content for us. It's very important, and let's keep this width for each of design section. And here, if I work with Flexbox, this one, and for example here, do you see it's not the same, and I will just set up this one for keeping all style. Paddings, by default I set up left and right side 20 pixels for not touching borders if it's less than 1170 pixels. For example, if it's smaller, it's not touching to border to this one, it will be space and it much better look. Here is logo 35 width. Yeah, but we need top 35. Yeah, 35. Okay, here 35, bottom 35. Yeah, and we need setup for background color. We switch to dev mode. Of course, I don't have solution how to do it free. Unfortunately, I pay for license, and I don't have solution how we can do it easier and not free. Yeah. Okay, so what's wrong? For example, here not displaying background color. What I can do? I click I, and I can take color, and this color copy it to my this one, and I click size settings, or not size settings, I need page settings. I need click this one, page settings, click style, and here is possible to set up style for page, and I need click background type, color, and this one. Done. Perfect. Okay, great. And for example, for header we have another color, this one, and box shadow even here is exists, but it's not visible, and I would not set up it because it's even not visible. Classic. And for example, for container I set up style, background color, and here is color. Great. And I need plus image. I drag and I need to upload it, and upload logo, and it's 35 pixels as we remember, and I need setup width 35, max width 35, and align by left. Okay, and plus usually we would need to set up menu WordPress menu. Yeah, let's do it. Just need to create a new one header. I click publish because I will reload the page in the future. I need to create a new one header menu. If you don't have yet, click create new menu. Number 2, because it's my second template from Elementor, from Figma to Elementor. Okay, here create menu, done, and I need custom links. For example, it's like placeholders for now, but for real website it can be section. For example, section home, hero, work here can be, and stack, or which you use services for development, portfolio, and contact. For example, it can be different. Yeah, we create it and click save menu, close. Now we reload the page. Here we need to pick the second menu. Yes, horizontal. Here breakpoint never, because we needn't switch to on mobile. I think we will need switch it, and for example on mobile we need, and full width we need it, and just do it, and it will be much better for you. Yeah, that's all. And now we need set up style power width. I don't need any lines below text. Horizontal padding 0, vertical padding 0, and space between elements 45 pixels. How to do? For example, sometimes it's not visible how much pixels to element. I click option, it's alt if you use Windows, and it will be demonstrate always, just for information. Yes, and style, which style should be? Here style plus Jakarta, because here usually we use another font, and I surprised 20 space. Okay, let's go. Jakarta 20, which width 6. Okay, line height normal, I think it's 1, usually it's 1, and letter spacing it's this one. Okay, and color white, hover as well, white need to set up, and active the same, because sometimes it can be rewrite from template and need to set up it. Okay, yes, it's about it, and now we just need to align in one row and by side move. We set up container, layout, we need to set up direction, row, done. Now we need space between, yes, and now we need center, done. Very easy. How it's easy work with Elementor and Flexbox. I love it. Okay, so the first part I think it's done, and for the tablet and mobile version we will do later optimization, but from header it's done, and let's check it. For example, close page. Yeah, first part is done, and our menu. Yeah, and last point is usually for logo I set up link, custom link, and usually it's site URL. It's like standard. Okay, let's go. So time to develop content page. Content, for example, to header we have space 133 pixels. It's around, and let's do it. Plus new container, done. Usually I set up left and right side 20 pixels, top 130 pixels, and bottom, let's check. I don't know, to be honest, where will be bottom. I would set up this one, because better to divide by section, because it's much easier to load for browser if it will be divided, not one full section for it. So, and I will divide it, for example, first section exactly, and it will be here enough. Okay, or maybe here, maybe I would do it even here. Yeah, I would do it here. I mean, first section, it will be this one. It's nothing, 10 pixels. Okay, here's the top 10 pixels. Okay, what we need here? We need here section like image, and it will be the second container with all text. I don't know how I will handle this background. It will be hard, but we will something create. Yeah, and here is arrow. Okay, let's go from text. It will be easier. It is easier part, and let's do it. Okay, here we need click container, this one, and we need two containers. In this container I have global container, global, and this is two containers. I need in row, it's set up row. Yes, and first one it will be image, second one will be okay, let's upload image. This me, and full image resolution, full, and width for image 165. And maximum 165. Yeah, and now we need to work with background. I don't know how to set up it, but let's try. It's the first gradient, and then we have another gradient. Much bigger. High for this one 400. Okay, let's do for this section 400, like this one, and align by center image. Yeah, and for example, for background we can set up two different gradients. Selector, it's unique class for this container, for this column, and you needn't set up always, for example, unique class here to add here. You can use selector, and he will know that you need to set up it. So first part here, yes, it's good, the first part, and it's a little bit wide for another background. Yeah, how we can do it? I think maybe we can do it as selector before. If you don't know what is this, I mean pseudo class, I think you need to learn it and you can use it. And for example, content nothing. I hate it's for image. I need to set up. Yeah, let's remove it. Okay, let's try for image. I don't know will it work or not, but we need to try. Selector. Yes, it's work. Just we need to set up image like not full width, just center. Yes, it's work. Just image. Yeah. 50 258. 258. No, it's not okay. I need not for image setup it, I need setup it for width. 258. Okay, it's much better. Yeah, but we need this background, yeah, and height the same. Oh, okay, 258. And object fit contain center. Okay, it's much better, just we need to a little bit smoother transition. Okay, I don't know how to do it, but let's blur. Yeah, I think I need to do it 10. Yeah, something like that. Okay, it's already much better than the input image, and that's all. Yeah, and width for this one 385. I want stop for this column width, it should be full width here, and width should be here 385. Great. Yeah, and what I see now, it's not set up this width. It's because we have another container which pushing him to the left side. Let's set up full width and set up manual width, calc, it's calculation 100% minus 385 pixels which we set up here. And now do you see different how it was and how it is? Great. Yes, and let's go here, adding first text. Hello, I am this one, and how we can set up arrow. It can be in different ways, but what I would do, first of all I need to export it. Why I switch to dev? Because sometimes I don't know why tab of design just freezing, and I need close it for exporting it, and for preventing it I switch to dev. Arrow icon. Oh, okay. Which width for it? I don't know. 90. Yeah, 92. Okay. Here what I would do, I would connect it as container to the container. I click arrow, container here, and here should be image, because I want to connect my text and my arrow, because it's very necessary to connect them, because if it will be different and not good from responsive side. Okay, to here 92 pixels, and that's all. And high it's 82, something like that. Contain, I don't know, the same. Looks like not. In theory it should be bigger. Yeah, let's set up it like this one. Okay, what we need? We need inline. I think we need to set up it as here can be default, and here is absolute. Absolute is comparing with this text, and I need to set up that it's from my text go. Okay, and here absolute left minus 100. Yeah, like this one, and top 20, like this one. Yeah, it's a little bit smaller. Let's do this one. Yes, and I just need to set up like 30, and yeah, and let's set up this text. This text, it's something new font. I don't know this font. I use the first time, to be honest. And what we need, it's white, it's 90 pixels, 400, 5.1, 90, 400, 5.1. Why I set up it? Because it's 100. I need 510 here, and letter spacing -5, 0.5, and set up color white. But I don't know why. Oh, do you see if I pick, it's high like this one. Good question. But high here I see 20 pixels. Let's set up 1 am, because to be honest, 5 it's never using it. Yes, and we need image, not image, name like purple. How I usually do it, I adding span tag, and here it in advanced custom CSS I write selector only for this span in this element, selector span, and here I color this one. Done, easy. And we just need to a little bit fix this arrow. With this one possible to play, yeah, and for example this container, now if I will move a little bit left, margin left 10, 20, I already possible to play with it without, and it will be already moving an arrow and my text. Okay, then what we have space 85 pixels here. For this container I set up 85 pixels. Then I click, I want to duplicate this font because it's easier than set up it again. Yeah, and here I need set up designer home. Okay, set up here which size, 70. Okay, doesn't problem. For me it's not a problem. Yes, done. Again duplicate. In theory it should be h3, this one h4, this one h1. Yeah, and here we have this one. How we can do it? To be honest, the best case we can use animation headline, but I'm not sure that it's work good with 2 rows. But let's set up it. First point, I need to set up 385 for visible how it works with 2 lines. Oh yeah, it's work. Oh, okay. Here copy, paste, cover, remove this one here. Okay, and for example this text, it's before my text highlight and 3 dots is already not highlight. And how I set up it? Yes, and here you can pick any style for it. Loop, it's okay. Align by left side. In this type, in this case I need to remove this one. Here I think that's all. Color this one white, and with like 3 pixels. Headline, color white, this cover, it's this color. and font, this one. Yes, and which size? 20 pixels, line spacing 1.3, 50 pixels. 50 pixels. What's wrong? 3 point. Yeah, do you see how it's important to use correct width? Well, let's do it a little bit bigger. It's not a problem. Yes. And this small text, let's duplicate below. It's much smaller. 11 pixel. Yeah, and let's see what we have now. And comparing with, here is text a little bit here and here text. What we have in result, not this one. And what we need to do, we can move this one a little bit top, like 40 pixels. 35. Yeah, it's a little bit, it's possible to play with it much time for it, but my aim is just demonstrating for you how it's possible to do. Yeah, and for example, it's always like loop, and I like it because it's a little bit animation, but I don't like a little bit size of text because 11 is pretty small, but my aim just convert template and its main point for this video, and I'm not designer for editing it. Yeah, now our step, it will be this one full, because here we have this background, and I would like to yeah, maybe it will be this part, it's one, this one will be another content container. Yes, again we need to set up here, and I think the same here. Yeah, 20 pixels. Here 0, and here 55. Yes, and what we need? We have this first text, second text. I don't know how to paste, how better paste Facebook icon. Okay, we can, I think, through icon list. Yeah, let's do it through icon list. Is it possible? Facebook. Yeah, we will realize through Facebook, like this one here. Let's work with this one. 1 pixel, 50 pixel. Here 50 pixels, it's 1. I think it's misclick, it's not, should be here, and space nothing, because here is line high even bigger than space. Currently I am here and Facebook. Okay, and we do it, and the size 21 and 21. Okay, but we need space for it because it's not correct high. Let's add 10 pixels. Usually it's demonstrate, but now it's not demonstrate and I need to set up it. 20 pixels. And now we will do Facebook. Facebook, add Facebook. And here we have like different color even. Okay, let's do like span and span. Here our icon. Then what we need here, 0. Icon size 21 pixel. Gap between icon and text, it's even smaller, and we can align it if we click horizontal alignment here. And text should be blue. How it's here? 21. 21 letter spacing. See this one, and this type of font. Okay, and icon color should be as well blue. And span, we go advanced, selector span, color white. Yeah, and comma, or what is this symbol, it's what we need. Okay, great. And what we need align in one row. How we can do it? We can do it in different way, but my way, it's like we go to container, we click layout, we click direction row, but now it's 3 elements in row, and here it's possible to wrap. It means like if not enough space, it's move to next row. And for first text we set up full width, and yeah, it's align. What we need just align by center this one here, and here. Yeah, this is problem with top, but we will fix it because we can set up 20 bottom for top. Yeah, and here it's everything okay. Yeah, and margin right 20, for example 5 pixels, even 10. Great, and we got it. Okay, and now we have another text, 70 pixels. Duplicate, and here we should set up full width and paste this one. In theory, if it's 2 paragraphs, it should be not heading, it should be text editor type of widget. If it's, but in this case we know that it's only one and we didn't do it. And 70 pixels if I'm not mistaken. Yes, and the width, do you see, it's like 892. 892. It's bigger than here exist, and it's okay for us. Yes, but it's size 22. And I would move this eye to next row. Yes, like this one. Yeah, but here it's already not. It's like manual enter. He put here, and I don't know. It's also okay for us. Great. Go to the next section. Let's go duplicate this. 0 here, 85. But before we need to drink cappuccino between section. Okay, this section is more interesting for us. This gradient I would do it for container. Yeah, it will be only this one part. Yes, exactly. Height 700. Here 700. and I just remove this one because I just needed to set up paddings and I made duplication. Here 700, yes, and for background I set up manual style this one, yes, because I needed set up this one. And width, do you see width? We have 625, but it's more. And for it I need to set up before, because for it I can set up width. And content 0, height 100%, width 625, yes, and left 50%, transform, translate minus 50%. Great. You see, it's what I did. It should be, then height 100%, width 625, because here I have 625. Then I needed to put to the center, and first point I moved to 50%, and now we need center, move to center, and through this one, and we got this blur. Yes, and now we need padding 100. For example, I like play with more clear paddings, like 110 or 115, but not like 13, 20, because if it's something perfect pixel development, yes, it should be, but in this case I would designer should do it, for example, with static width, for example, like 20, and I just close on eyes that here is 22. In theory it should be 20. Yeah, work experience, let's go. And here should be 20, H1, and let's paste. It's H2. Work experience. I'm not understanding why it's full. Oh, because it's a row. I need column vertical. Yes, now it's not full. To the bottom, 44, it can be already. Okay, and now we need to column here. It will be one container with 4 different containers. Something like that. It's possible to realize in different ways, but I would set up like this one. Or for example, for even saving classes, containers, etc, it's possible just to add 4 different containers and set up style. It's even possible to do like this one. Yeah, but I will do one global container, and inside here I will do 4 different, like this one. What I need to do? I need to do that my container width, it is manual value, it's calc 50%, 50% minus 11 pixel. For example, to be honest, 10 pixel, and it's space this one, and we will it will be okay, it will be the best case for like this one. And for example, if I do duplication, why it's not the same? Because I need to row wrap, and do you see? And here is we have space, and just we need space between. Yes, and here in the result we will get in any width screen, we will get 50% containers and space between them. Yes, and a row should be 20 pixels, like this one. Yes, great. I just will do duplication in the future. I just need to develop one container. I just demonstrated what I want to do. Okay, here. So first container. What I need for first container. Here we have shadow and background and border radius. Okay, for much easier setup it through these styles, but now I don't want to spend time much on it, and I just will add border radius. And for advanced, in custom CSS I will right click a selector and paste our background. Okay, in result we got background. Here we have image plus container of text, and it will be image and it will be container from structure. Here I need paste here image plus image, and I upload, for example, first image icon. I thought that I didn't export second one, and here should be 115. Oh, here we have border yet, and it's 4 pixels. Yeah, it's 4 pixels. Let's go to container, style, border here, type solid 0 by default, but on the top we add this one. And what we have in the result, I click here. Yeah, it's almost the same. To be honest, it will be not possible to do like this one, and it's possible only like this one. I think for this template it's okay, because I don't want to spend very much time for it, because it's very small details for this template. Yes, here we align, plus we need to this container another container and set up it like row. Yes, and here container with again calc 100 pixels for resizing, minus we need this image plus space between it. It's 145 pixels. Great. And space between. Great. Yeah, and we just need for global this section setup padding. Padding is 70, for example, from left side 50. Let's do bottom 70, not 70, 40 to 36, 42. Right side doesn't matter. Let's do right side 20 pixels. Okay, great. And last point, we need to add menu content here. Copy, paste. I hope you don't hear police out of my apartment's sound, but how it will be already. Okay, poppins, it's something new, 1.25, 26. Poppins. $25, $26. It's here 20, like this one, and size 600. Okay, bottom 11, but it's also not a correct demonstration here. Okay, it's around 5. Okay, again duplicate what we have here. Is 232 with pixels, 232. I should limit it with here. Okay, font size 8. To be honest, much time I didn't hear. It's too small. It's too small. It's not possible to leave it. Line height 1.3. Okay, line height 3, like this one, and let's do it minimum 14. It's too small, to be honest, for this image, for this template. Yeah, and I like it. And last point is button. Button, it is space. Yeah, this is space. It's not the best quality design, but and we need to do something with it, and it's about 10. Yes, and let's go plus button. Learn more. It should be learn more, and always we should do it through like transform like this one, not like all button caplosk, because it's much better setup like this one. Okay, so what we need to do here? Fill its border. Okay, border color. Here we need to set up border solid 1 pixel, this color. Border radius. Okay, it's even not demonstrating. Let's do 10. Okay, 20. It's okay. It's background and white. It's 10. Let's do 10 pixels, and here font Poppins 10 1.5. It's 20 1.5 Poppins. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. And for example, hover, let's do just grow, and it's okay. Okay, so it's good. What we need to do now? We need to optimize it for tablet and mobile version again, and just duplicate, because if we duplicate, and we will need to adapt it to tablet and mobile in the future. But now we can do it already, and let's do it. For example, here paddings like 20 pixels, it's okay, and everything okay. Just image setup 80 and 20 pixels setup between. In result we should calc 100 minus like this one. Okay, I like it. It's okay. It will be duplicate and setup size smaller, 24. Okay, here should be a little bit smaller, 13. Okay, button, it's okay. And mobile, on mobile it will be 100%. Here we need to set up bottom 10 pixels for this one. For this one, okay, it's can be something how it is now. Okay, yeah. And let's duplicate this item. Duplicate, and let's remove empty container is for demonstration. Okay, so and just copy paste content. It's the same content. Yeah, it's the same. Oh, it's even content the same, just set up different icons. Icon 2, icon 3, and icon 4. Great. Yes, publish. Let's do first our result. Yes. So what we need to for finishing it, we have yet this part plus our stack plus project and then footer. Okay, let's do this part. New container as default, like this one, pixels 20. To the top we need to 95. Let's check before our section. Work experience. Yeah, in the result we have 0. Okay, in this case 10 pixel I need to the bottom here. Oh, here I have like different size of images even here. Oh, okay, we will do it as one text. Let's copy. Paste. Space, and we need to width 663. Bigger 24. Smaller we will set up manually. Cross-functional, it's the first span and class. Purple, and then we need to Z second span. Cross here I close span, then Z span class small text and close span. In the result, here I need two spans, span purple, this one, and result I got this one, get this one, and span small text. It should be this font size and letter spacing. You see that it's not applying, and let's do it in portal. Important. I try to avoid this parameter, but sometimes we need to use it. Okay, something doesn't apply. Let's check what's wrong. Maybe I span. Yeah, do you see it? I miss this one. Yeah, now it's okay. Yes, and 32 pixels padding or margin, doesn't matter. Yes, okay, perfect. And let's go forward. Here I need to set up image upload. It should be stacks, this one. Okay, and which width it should be skills 895. Here I set up with 895, but max width it should be 100%. Okay, great. That's all. Okay, move forward. Let's go. Flexbox. Here 170. This one top we already know that nothing. Below 100. Okay. Because this one it will be one element, because we have this blur on background, and this should be okay. How we can do it? Here, what I want to do, it's first, it will be one container here, then first column image plus this blur, this part it's another column with content. Yeah, let's do it. First part, we have one item project. In this project we will have two containers: text, project content, and project image. Okay, and we need to align row because we need in one row. Okay, let's start from image. We need to drag to a column, project 1, select border radius. We need to set up how it is here. Border radius 10. Yeah, 10, it should be like this one. Yes, okay. Or not? No? Here is 15, here is 10. Okay, let's do 10. We don't care about it. It will be okay as well. Yeah, it's... Yeah, in theory, it should be border. It's possible to export as new, but I don't want to do it. You can do yourself if you want. Height of this section 700. Do you see height of this radiant dot? Oh, it's here is two of them. Okay. Okay, let's go. Here we need should be 700 and align at center, put center. Then for this column we set up custom style with selector before and content nothing. Height 100% width. It should be about 80, or we want to do two dots like this one. Okay, let's try to do one dot with gradient. If it will not work, we will create two of them. And I set up background gradient. Yeah, it looks okay. And top 0, left 0, and we just need move 200 pixels left. Yeah, I like it. It even needn't create more another one. For example, possible to create before with, we can do like 625, and after class here after also set up 625 pixels, and it will be possible to, for example, z-index 0, z-index for this one 2, and it will be better even, but result almost the same and isn't sense do it. Okay, and here let's go with text. Here let's go which it's Poppins. If it's Poppins, we can copy this one, paste, and just align by center already. Yeah, I didn't copy it. Feature, this color Poppin 16. Here is 16. nothing. Let's keep nothing. Okay, that's all. Here is copy 34. Now I will hear a dog in my neighbors. Okay, this one 34. And space 30 pixels. Okay, and I think we need to remove space here. Okay, so next point, it is our this text. It also can be like this one. And what we have interesting is blur on background. Size, which should be size 80. Okay. Padding 26, 25. Okay, let's do 30 pixels by each side, and on background we set up for this span it's a selector, it's full element, not only text. For full element it's possible to set up this one, background blur. It's interesting, is it apply or not? Normal, like this one, and here it's visible that it's like on image. Let's do on image. Here should be z index 2, here z index 5. It's like priority of visible. And let's do now this project. No, let's start for this one, right, -8. Yeah, but do you see it's not not go out, I mean without blur. Let's set up 5 for this one, nothing changed. What's wrong? Yes, okay. We know we don't give up. Yes, right, -4. Okay, -50, -8. Okay, yeah. Yeah, and it's work. And just need to border radius 14. Great. Okay, yeah, it's done. And 2 icons. I don't know what is this, to be honest. I mean, what this icons means. By I use icon widget and upload SVG, and I upload this icon, this one, and top 36, size 31, and left 27, size 31, color white 36, left 27. It's around. Okay, and here nothing. Yeah, and for aligning these icons, what I would do, yeah, I would do it like a row. It's my lowly way of aligning, like something similar. It's also possible to, for example, here now we have like this one, and we need to align center, but it's not even here. We need to do it as well. And in this case we got it. 37 and left 10, or how much? 17. Great, yeah, and it's done. Okay, so the first project done. Let's do the second one. We have that it's a little bit minus 150, something like that. We reverse and minus 150. Yeah, it is image here, project 2 should be here, align by right side. What I need to do? Just this one. Here I need to margin not left, it should be right. Another like this one. Great. And here is not correct, it's like by center, but we need to by left side. Project, yes, no, content for this one. Yeah, like this one. We need to click here, start left side, here content on middle, here project content by right side, like this one. Great, yoo-hoo. And last point, it is contact. Container 170, spaces like this one, top 0, bottom, it's 200 is too much, 100, like this one. Text, I want to use this type of text. Contact, 73 pixels. Size, which size? 25 for 25, like this one. Okay. Here. Okay, here do you see? It's like already another row. Here I would use text editor, and for example like this one, and it's like next row. Okay, let's do which type of text? This one, 15. Let's do 16 because 15 is pretty small. 0.3, and line height normal, it's 1, I think. No, 1, it's not correct. Oh, and name of font. Yeah, 1, it's not correct. Let's do 1.4. Yeah, and text like this one. Email, yeah, and 31. Let's search setup. Icon, social icon by left side, and it should be Instagram, Dribble, Google. Icon library, Instagram, Dribble, Google. Yeah, do you see in recommended is not demonstrated. Need to click all icons and then it is exist in Google. It's just for information that sometimes it can be, and just need to click all icons. Yeah, type of it doesn't matter because I need a background. I need custom secondary. It's background, and background, oh, it's icon color. Icon color white should be. Yes, icon color white. Background nothing. It's 6 symbols, its color. If we add 0 in the end, it's transparent. And size, which size? 80. Padding 0, space between social icon as one row, but let's do it 20, 25. Okay. And here is possible, for example, setup link, which you need. Okay, width for this one 700. Yes, and here I have problem with this one, like this one. Let's connect people leave. Yeah, we can do it bigger because leaves like this one. Yeah, great. I think that's all. And let's check desktop version. I don't see border radius 14. Let's go here. I set up it, but it didn't apply. Okay, we need to manually set up it. Border radius 14 pixels. But it's still visible or not. Okay, let's publish and let's check. Yeah, it's already good. If it would not work, you can write overflow hidden. Now it will be exactly, it will hidden exactly. But if it's work, we needn't apply it. Yeah, let's go. Great. And so our desktop version looks good, and I like it as well. Now we need to a little bit improve tablet version, for example. And let's do it. Okay, tablet version. I would set up space for here is 15 and 20. 20 here. Padding by left side 15. Top 20. It's okay. Bottom as well. I like this one. It looks good. Maybe I would a little bit do smaller this part. 36. Yes, 36. It's okay. It's okay. And just width pixel and set up like this one. Okay. This one, of course, 36 here. 36. This one, it can be smaller, 8. Here as well, 8. It's also 8. And a space, for example, not 17, 40. Okay, again, here, space. 0, 15, 15, 30. Here. Left side 15, right side 15, top 70. Here 36. I do it based on my experience, but in theory it should be tablet and mobile version here, but it's not exist, I think. And yeah, it's just for information, and I do it based on my experience, not more. Yes, it's okay. I think it looks okay. Yeah, but maybe I would bottom even 0. Yeah, do you see high bigger than and we need to do it here 50. Yes, for example 40, 400, it's okay, just we need to add space here like 50. It can be even 70, 90, yeah, like this one. Okay, it's okay, it's okay, I like it. Feature project 24. How it was small. Okay, here 34, it's okay, just need to do 15 paintings here, and size it was 80, we can do 60. Yes, and yeah, it's okay. Let's clean size because it's overwriting. Yeah, it's 16 if I'm not mistaken. Yes. Yes. And 50 pixels padding. Yes. And a high of project. Where is image? High of image, it should be 400. Let's like this one. Here for image. Yes. And minus 50. Oh, okay, yeah, it's good. And contact, it's okay. And publish. Let's check tablet version. In theory, it should work well. Yeah, tablet version is good. And for example, if it's horizontal, it's also demonstrating good. And last point, it is mobile. How it will be on mobile? Something going outside. You see, it's this one outside, and it's breaking design. Let's go. You see, I can scroll. Usually it shouldn't be. What we can do, the easiest case, it is like for project. I can set up container, additional option, overflow, hidden. It's what's going outside of this section, it's hidden. Yeah, and yeah, here I have on work experience as well, and the same, it's it shouldn't be. Yeah, and for example now it's the first item, it's fixed. We will fix now another part, but the first part is fixed. Okay, let's go from header. Here we need to do white as minimum. It's toggle menu, style, toggle menu, color, white, yes. Background, I don't know which background I need set up. For it, I need from button, maybe I need to take this one. Yes, 80, 20, border with 5, nothing, border radius maybe 5. Okay, but I need to do bigger, like this one. Okay, how it will be? Yeah, it's good. If I click, I need to change background. I click E, copy background. It's drop down, and here background color. This one, color F. If hover, I set up as it is icon background, yes, and active the same. Great, done. I think it's minimum which we need for it. Image 200, it should be smaller, 100, yes, 100, 200, yes, it's good, and with 150, 90. Oh, okay, yeah, it's good. Now here we need to remove everything, yes, and demonstrate by center. Yes, hello, I'm Eugen Reshetar. Then we need to, for container, just add space below because we removed it. And image, which is here, we just responsive height for mobile. Here, mobile height. Designer, align by center. This one I custom full width by center and go align by center for desktop. Yes, because it's also aligned by center, and we need to, for this section, space we need to add. Okay, let's go to the second one. 15, bottom 30 and top 400. Okay. Now we have problem with this one, to be honest, but let's do by center and full width. Yes, and here is by center, this one by center. It's good. It's our in theory these icons should be like full width, and this one it can be how it is. In theory it should be two different images now, but I don't want to spend time on it. Feature image, but for this section, left side, top, below 15. Yes, here 200, 250 and 250, and width for mobile. What we need to do for mobile? We need to paste media request for mobile, only for mobile, for width of this. So media query, it's like selector with 100. Important. Not with with, but it looks like not applying. If I 10 before, do you see before? Yeah, and left 0. Left minus 50, minus like this one, but I need a little bit bigger high, like this one. Yeah, it's okay. Project here, and it looks good, the same, but in this project I need reverse. Like this one. Okay, I just need to add space like this one. Okay, here I moved a section somewhere. Project, here I moved, not this one. Right? Yeah, we need to set up minus. If remove this, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 1 slide, I don't know how to say, like here. Let's like this one again by left side. It's okay. And here should be by left side. Yes, I align it. And this one again is 250, 300. Let's go 300, and let's go setup style. Yes. Okay, contact mobile. Okay. So if you want to check result, yeah, here we should add space because it looks like it's everything the same. Let's add like this one. Let's go. You can see result this page by this URL. Of course, you can see it. And mobile, it looks good, and I tried to not take much time on it, but to do it, for example, menu, yeah, and if I click, in theory it should redirect to about page or to section. Okay, so we have final result. It's page. You can find this design by this URL, but if you want to download this template, you need to go to reshatar.dev elements portfolio LP. On this page you can fill out the form and you will get this template. Yes, I demonstrated it. Of course, if I upload better image, it will not be exist here. Yeah, done. If you like this video, click like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in next video.